So I bought the one of the best headphone from Panasonic. Yeah, let's do the unboxing. Jump to the unboxing table.
I gave my hand for you to hold.
So now here is the Panasonic retro looking over the here headphone. You can grab this one for around 50 to 55 US from Amazon. Sometime you can even get for 45 US dollar. The regular MRP of this headphone are around 89 US dollar. So I was looking for something retro but professionally over the here monitoring headphone which have a quite good flat sound. I don't need a bass one. I'm a big fan of Panasonic headphone. Now let me open this one. This one I bought it as a refurbish. I've already taken out the main packaging. I don't want to show you my home address. So now okay, here we go. Okay, this seems quite good, let me be honest with you. Okay, now here we go. I mean, I'm a the first impression is these headphones are really very sexy looking. To be honest with you, these headphones are really very sexy looking. My number one complaint is that a Panasonic be a good Panasonic. You know I love your headphones a lot. You know, buy a Sony headphone for comfortable level. If you need to use for longer, buy a Panasonic if you need for sound. No one can beat the Panasonic. I mean Sony even do not come closer to Panasonic when it comes to the sound. I will be testing this headphone on my ear just in a second. This is plastic. I was thinking it's going to be some kind of metal, aluminum, some kind of alloy build. Sadly, this is a plastic. Panasonic make a metal or some kind of aluminum. Make some kind of aluminum metal frame headphone and sell for double. I will buy. Still plastic. It's look really very sexy. To be honest with you, I am not that much of a complaint. The plastic is a quite solid plastic, but I wish this was some kind of metal alloy. So you can, as you can see, these are really very beautiful headphone. Okay, I think now I need to put on my ear and then do some kind of sound testing. Let me show you from the side. This is a quite really beautiful looking headphone. Let me be honest with you, this is a really very striking red color headphone. Okay, now jump back to me. So here are the headphone. Let me put on my head. Like this may be good. Yeah. Let me put on my head and then see the sound quality. How good is the sound quality? Let me monitor myself and I tell you how good is the sound quality. Wow, even I don't need an amplifier. Wow, the sound is really amazing. The only thing I wish it was made from metal is plastic, as you can see, but overall I'm really very much impressed. It really look vintage retro, to be honest with you. Yeah, I'm really very much impressed. The sound quality really look good to me. Again, you need to be the judge. How good is the sound quality? Sorry, how good it look on me. The sound quality definitely really very good. One of the best. Under $100 sound quality I have been using. Yeah, now subscribe and buy. This is a must buy. Subscribe and buy.